How to get a job Part 1. It should be clear, concise, and tailored to the position you are applying for. Start with a strong personal statement that highlights your skills and experience. Follow this with your employment history, including company names and job titles. Use bullet points to make your achievements stand out and quantify them with numbers. Include any relevant qualifications and training, as well as industry-specific skills. Mention any volunteering or extracurricular activities that demonstrate your character. Use keywords and phrases from the job description throughout your CV. Proofread your CV several times for grammar and spelling errors. Avoid using fancy fonts or colors, stick to a professional format. Don't include irrelevant information such as your age or marital status. Tailor your CV to each job application to showcase your relevant skills and experience. Make sure your CV is always up to date and relevant to the job you want. Consider using an online CV builder or template to guide you through the process. Seek feedback from friends or professionals to help improve your CV. Be honest about any gaps in employment or career changes. Highlight any language skills or international experience you have. Consider adding a cover letter to explain why you are the best candidate for the job. Remember that your CV is the first impression you make on a potential employer. So take the time to craft a strong and compelling document that will stand out from the crowd. And finally, don't be afraid to showcase your unique personality and passion for the job.